The 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQB doesn't just get an update, it gets a full reinvention. Mercedes is officially retiring the EQB name and replacing it with the all-new GLB with EQ technology, a next-generation electric SUV built to fix the biggest weaknesses of the old model. A bold new design with a familiar GLB identity. The 2026 GLB Electric keeps the boxy, upright proportions that made the EQB so practical, but everything is sharper and more futuristic. Aerodynamics improve with flush door handles, smoother body surfacing, and a closed star pattern grille designed specifically for EV efficiency. Front and rear LED light bars now stretch across the vehicle, visually widening the SUV and giving it a more premium presence. The design feels more confident and less experimental, clearly positioning the GLB Electric as a mainstream luxury EV rather than a niche alternative. Inside, the cabin takes a massive leap forward with the optional MBUX Superscreen. This single glass panel spans the dashboard, integrating the digital gauge cluster, a 14-inch center display, and an optional passenger screen for media and navigation control. Interior space, technology, and everyday usability. Thanks to the new MMA platform, the 2026 GLB Electric rides on a longer wheelbase, which directly benefits passengers. Second-row legroom and headroom are noticeably improved, and Mercedes keeps the optional third row, making this one of the few compact electric SUVs with 7-seat flexibility. Material quality also steps up for 2026. New upholstery options like sage gray MB Tex, a redesigned center console with black fine structure trim, and more ambient lighting zones give the interior a modern, upscale feel without losing practicality. The real technological breakthrough is MB.OS, Mercedes-Benz's new operating system. It powers a more responsive interface, deeper vehicle personalization, and a generative AI virtual assistant that understands natural speech and learns driver habits over time. Performance, range, and why MMA changes everything. The move to the 800-volt MMA architecture completely transforms how this SUV drives and charges. The GLB 250 Plus with EQ technology is expected to produce around 255 horsepower and deliver up to an estimated 325 miles of EPA range. For drivers wanting more performance and traction, the GLB 350 4MATIC adds dual motors, nearly 288 combined horsepower, and a much quicker 0 to 60 time of around 5 seconds, while still offering close to 300 miles of range. Charging is where the biggest improvement happens. With up to 320 kilowatt DC fast charging capability, the GLB Electric can add roughly 160 miles of range in about 10 minutes at a compatible charger, making road trips far more realistic than before. Advanced features like rear axle steering improve city maneuverability, while adaptive damping suspension enhances comfort on rough roads. Bidirectional charging also allows the vehicle to power devices or even support home energy needs. Safety, pricing, and final buying perspective. Mercedes includes a strong suite of safety tech as standard, including Distronic adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree surround view camera system, now more accessible across trims. Pricing is expected to start in the mid to high $55,000 range for the GLB 250 Plus variant, with all-wheel drive models likely exceeding $60,000. While not inexpensive, the leap in technology, range, and charging capability helps justify the increase. U.S. deliveries are expected to begin in summer 2026, positioning the GLB Electric directly against the Tesla Model Y and BMW iX1, but with a unique advantage: premium interior quality and optional 3-row seating. The 2026 Mercedes GLB Electric isn't just a replacement for the EQB, it's the compact EV Mercedes should have launched from the start. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, subscribe, and let me know which competitor comparison you want next.